my younger brother. Hindi ako yun, older ko. Pero ina akong desisyon.
Ako si Joe. Salamat sa alaala ng aking kapatid. You knew him as a teacher. But I would like to share with you our lives bago siya naging teacher. Dito kami lumaki. At tulad ninyo, kami ay humarap sa kahirapan ng buhay sa pantanan. Dumating ang panahon ang tatay namin nagkasakit. At hindi na pwedeng kami lahat ay mag-aral. Ang paraan para kami makasulong ay si Mrs. Jansino Sikaka ang mag-aral mo. Si Manoy, senior na seminaryan. Pero natigil sa pag-aral, una, sininitigan. At nang ako ay matapos ng first year high school sa Notre Dame, ako rin po ay natigil sa pag-aral ng 3 taon. Ang for that 3 years, kami po ay nag-farm dyan sa tawag namin sa ibaba, sa Pasakan. At doon ko nakita kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng cost to success, to succeed. Sininiil niya para matulungan ang pamilya. Nagtitira siya sa puluhan. Nakiaraw yun, nagtagdog, nakiani. Nagpagkatama. Ilang taon na hindi siya nag-aral para ang pamilya ay matulungan. Isipin nila po ninyo. Nung ako ay nag-second year high school, sininiil niya, pangalawa yan, si Manoy, tsaka ako. Tulibis, one in between sa amin. Pero kami ay sabay na nag-second year sa Notre Dame sa Katuro. Isipin nila nyo kung ilang taon na hindi siya nakapag-aral. She's willing to pay the price for the family. Kami po, kung kami ay nakakasulong, because someone in the family was willing to pay the price. Isa na po yan. Ang nakita. Nakita ko. Yan, sabay kami nag-farm. Araw-araw niya. Nagbibilang. Nagkakdog. Ani. Yung ano yung nakiaraw yun, nakiamo yun. Nung nag-aaral na kami, I felt in love. Nandiyan sila sa malapit sa Pine, ako'y nag-working student. Ngunit kung natingnan yung mga damit yung nagkakaglabahan, lagi nagkagalit yan pag hindi ko ibigay sa kanya. Hanggang sa kami lumaki, nakapag-aral, nakapag-trabaho, nakapag-asawa. The way she treated me before remained the same. Mapagmahal po ang ating ko. Asundin nyo nakita niya. Bagyan po ang ito. She paid the cost. Kung kami po nakasunod, she paid the biggest price for the family. Ang sunod sa iyo, aking kapatid ni Lydia. The word of God says, come to me. All you who labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon me and learn from me, for I am humble and gentle of heart. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light. temporary paalam aking kapatid. I rejoice sa pamilya ko. Nagpala. Napakaganda ng iniwan mo sa amin.
Namatay si Martin ay madalang sulat pero biling at ako ang nakakasang pagbasa ng sulat na yan. Kung niyo akong titignan, tuloy nyo ang aming PowerPoint presentation. City, USA. To the bereaved, the Luna and Burnham families, to my brothers and sisters, relatives and friends. Sabi ng mga musikido, magandang umaga daw sa Luna. God has a reason for allowing things to happen. We will never understand His wisdom, but we simply just have to trust His will. Sister Nineville, we have grown together, shared sacrifices with our brothers and sisters were still small, especially when Papay and Mamay were busy in the farm. You got married ahead of me. I was blessed with 7 professionals and successful children. In the end, this was your crown of glory. Yes, there were sacrifices and pains during these critical moments of rearing your children. I was so confident, and I was always there behind you to give pieces of advice and guidance and resolve family problems together. Being the eldest in the family of 6, I always saw to it that all was well for all of us. Bibi is with you to represent me and to share the sorrows of the family. I can't be with you at this very moment, but my heart and soul are with you today. We love you indeed. We shall always cherish and treasure you as our sister. Hindi namin alam kung kailan din kami kukunin ng Panginoon. We will always pray for the eternal repose of your soul. I remember more than 2 weeks ago when you sent me off at the Jensen airport. You hugged and kissed me. And that pala was the last and no more. Wala ka na, pag-uwi yan. To the different organizations to which were there here, there was a member. Greetings of peace. The Catholic Women's League, Pagtangan Unit, to Sister Melita Aquino, President. Senior Citizens of Poblacion, Mr. Mapini Pugas, President. Pagtangan Association of Retired Public School Teachers and Government Employees,